You're watching Code 3 Rewind. Real footage, no filters. Was this justified? Drop your take in the comments. And help me hit 1,000 subs. Subscribe now and say I'm in below.
We're following up on an armed carjacking that had occurred earlier. Around 10:25 a.m., they located the carjacked vehicle driving in the 6600 block of Palm Avenue and attempted to stop it, but the driver pulled into an apartment complex and tried to flee. When the driver exited the vehicle, he was armed with a handgun and an officer-involved shooting occurred. Updates were provided as to Eddie's location, and POP officers located him driving the carjacked vehicle in the 6600 block of Palm Avenue. They activated their emergency lights and siren, but Eddie failed to immediately yield and drove into the rear parking lot of an apartment complex nearby.
Watch the football. I'll call you back.
Hey, stop! Hey, gotta go!
At one point, while he's briefly running, Eddie points the gun towards the officers. One of the POP officers then fired 4 times from his duty handgun, striking Eddie once in the back. Eddie fell to the ground and officers approached him. They assessed his injuries, called for medical aid, then began attending to the gunshot wound. He was taken to a local hospital where he remained guarded by our officers until transferred to a detention ward at another medical facility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, and share with others. Hit that subscribe button down below and help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Your support means everything. See you in the next one.